children. Be healthy, take healthy food, improve your immunity, children. Okay. So now let us get back to our class. So in our previous class, we learned 2D and 3D shapes of class 4 mathematics chapter 1. What is chapter 1? Many objects, different shapes. Many objects, different shapes. So you can see that the different 2D shapes and 3D shapes which you people see in your real life, okay, which you are surrounded by. These are few of them. Yes, we have learned and we have seen the different 2D shapes and their properties. Few of them we have learned it. What are those? Circle, triangle, rectangle, and square. And some of the commonly used 3D shapes and their properties we have learned of cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, and cylinder. We even have seen the examples of these cuboid. You can see here cube, cuboid. Cube is nothing but the dice, ice cube which you see here in the diagram. Cuboid is nothing but the brick, the suitcase which you see here in the diagram, the book. These all comes under the 3D shapes of examples of a cuboid. So sphere is a ball here, football, orange. Okay. So these are the sphere. And the cone you can see here, the carrot, the ice cream cone, the top, the joker hand. Yes. And the cylinder shape objects here are the drum, the tin can, the log of wood, flute. So these are some of the examples here. Okay. So now let us go through the next part of our lesson. Let us do some activity. Okay, children. So now in your textbook, I have sent you the PDF file of the textbook in My Class Campus, children. Yes. So go through it. Open that one and be ready whenever I am teaching or whenever you are listening to the class. Okay. So now let us see the activity here in page number 4. Nitya and her 5 friends are playing a game. So you can see that few friends are there here, girls who are playing a game here. Okay. So they are blindfolded Pallavi and asked her to clap. Okay. So she was blindfolded and she was clapping. So as long as she wishes, she can clap. Till that time, these children will be running around the table. And the moment Pallavi will stop clapping, everybody should stand at the corner of the table. So that is the game. Who will be out of the table, who will not stand at the corner of the table will be out of the game. Okay. So when you are small, many of them were playing this type of games. Yes or no? Okay. So you can see that now Nitya was clapping and after a few minutes she just stopped clapping. So some girls are been at the corner of the table. So by seeing that, so who are at the corner of the table here? So you can see Lata, Geeta, Nitya and Madhuri are standing at the corner of the table. Okay. So they are in the game and you can see that Sita is standing at the edge of the table. So that is the edge of the table. That means she is out of the game. So now by seeing this activity you came to know that what is the corner and what is the edge. Okay, now let us count the edges and corners of different shaped objects. Okay, so firstly, you can see that you have two diagrams. One is the brick and the other one is the suitcase or the box you can call it, which you carry it. Okay. So now you can see that first one is the brick. Brick shape objects are which type of 3D shape? It is a cuboid 3D shape. The shape of a cuboid is the brick shaped object. Okay, children? So now you can see that the corner has been indicated here and edge also you can see what is the edge. So in that sense, number of edges in a cuboid, or you can say that number of edges in this diagram of a brick. So how many edges do you have in this brick, children? Just count and say me. So in a cuboid, how many edges you are having here? 12 edges. Okay. So how many edges you have? 12 edges. Now the same here. Now how many corners are the vertices? Corners are nothing but the vertices. How many corners does this brick shape object have? 8 corners. How many corners? 8 corners. Okay. So now the next one is the box. The carrying box which you use it. So number of edges for this box you can see here is 12 edges. The same, the cuboid shape, all the objects will have the same number of edges and corners, children. Yes, as it is in the shape of a cuboid, the edges and the corners will not change. Whatever object let it be, when the shape comes over to the shape of a cuboid, the edges and the corners will be also the same. So number of edges in this box here you have is 12 edges and number of corners are 12. Okay. Children, write this also notes in the text in your classwork, children. Okay. Continue the same notes. Today I will send you the PDF file. You can write those notes in your classwork. Simultaneously, please complete it and please understand the lesson as well as. Okay, now you can see the answers here. How many edges do brick shape objects have? So number of edges are 12, number of corners are 8. The same here for the box, number of edges are 12 and the number of corners are 8. So now let us get back to the next one. How many edges do die shaped objects have? How many edges do die shaped objects have? Okay, so die-shaped object means what is the 3D shape which resembles that one? Die shape is the shape of a cube. So die shape is the shape of a cube. So in a cube, how many edges do you have it? A cube has 12 edges and how many corners? 8 corners. Okay? Yes or no? So now here itself also, here also the same here. So you can see that first one is the which you keep it coin box which you have it, children. In the coin box, all you can say that your piggy banks which you use it for your savings. So here we have small piggy bank here. The corner is been indicated and the edge also is been indicated here. You can identify that. Now number of edges in this piggy bank is 12. So number of corners is 8. The next diagram is the dice. So dice is also the shape of it also resembles the shape of a cube. So number of edges in a dice is 12 and the number of corners is 8. The next one is the how many edges do joker hat shaped objects have? So joker hat shape object means what is the 3D shape it is showing? Joker hat shaped object is the shape of a cone. Yes, it shows the shape of a cone. So how many edges does a cone have? You can see that the edges and the corners are been indicated here, and also we have learned in our previous model how many edges does a cone have. So a cone has one edge and one corner. So now in this diagram, the joker hat has number of edges is 1 and number of corners is 1. The next diagram is the ice cream cone. So in an ice cream cone, you can see that number of edges is 1 and number of corners is also 1. Any doubts, children, till here? If any doubts, children, whenever we come over through the live classes, we'll go on with the doubts. We'll clear the doubts. Okay, children? So now let's see the answers. The dice shape is number of edges is 12, number of corners is 8. And then number of edges in a piggy bank is 12 and number of corners is 8. These are the answers here. Now the answers for the joker hat, number of edges is 1 and number of corners is 1. Okay, children. The next one. Now, how many edges do drum-shaped objects have? So, drum-shaped object means what is the 3D shape does it resemble, children, here? drum shaped object. So drum shaped object is the 3D shape of a cylinder. Yes, drum shaped object is a 3D shape of a cylinder. So cylinder is a three-dimensional solid shape. Yes, three-dimensional solid shape. 3D shape is a three-dimensional solid shape that has two parallel bases. Yes, children? That has two parallel bases. Okay. So that is a 3D shape. Now you can see that the first example is the drum. What is that? Drum. Now you can see the edge is being indicated, and a 3D shape of a cylinder doesn't have corners. Yes, it will not have corner or the vertex. Okay, so number of edges here in this 3D shape is the two edges. One is the circular part and the top and the bottom, two edges. Okay, children. Now the next example is number of edges here. So the answer is number of edges for this drum is 2 and the number of corners is 0. The next example is the Coca-Cola tin can. Okay. So it also resembles the 3D shape of a cylinder. So number of edges here is how many? Two edges and corners are 0. Okay. The next question, do ball shaped object have edges and corners? Yes. Do ball shaped objects have edges and corners? So ball shaped objects are nothing but the sphere. Do the sphere have edges and corners, children? No. So a sphere doesn't have edges, nor does it have corners. Okay, children? So these are the answers here, children. The next one, boxes of various types. Okay, different types of boxes you see in your surroundings. Many boxes you see it. Yes, there are many boxes: the toy box, compass box, match box, toothpaste box, the dice box, the soap box. So these are many different boxes which you see in your surroundings. Okay, now let us learn regarding, or let us trace some of them and learn regarding those boxes. Okay, children? Okay, so now firstly let us take a soap box. Now take a soap box, put it on a paper and trace it. So when you trace it, the diagram which you get it is called the face. What it is called? Face. Okay, so in a soap box, how many faces do you have? How many faces do we have in a soap box? So in a soap box we have 6 faces. Now here the soap box which I have taken is of a cuboid shape. Yes, it is of a cuboid shape. So it is having 6 faces. A cuboid has how many faces, children? 6 faces. And when you trace it, the diagram which you get it is the diagram of a rectangle. And the rectangle shape which you get it, all the shapes will be differing each other. Some will be small rectangles, some will be big rectangles. But yes, all are the rectangle shapes. Yes or no? So do all the faces look alike? No, the faces doesn't look alike because they are little small and some are little big rectangles. So the faces will not look alike. Yes, the shape is the rectangle, but the faces are not same. Okay, children? Okay, so here is the answers for that. So how many faces does a soap box have? 6 faces. Do all the faces look alike? No. Okay, the next one. Now let us open the soap box carefully without tearing its edges, children. Okay, open it. You can see the diagram when you open the soap box. This is the diagram which we can see. Okay, children. So this is called the net of the soap box. When you open the soap box, you can see that how many rectangles are there. Yes, individually you can count it. So that is called the net of the soap box. What it is called? Net of the soap box. Now the next one, see here, these are the few soap boxes which you see in the market, children. Yes or no? These are the few soap boxes which you see in the market. The first one, see here, True and Tone. True and Tone. See here the soap box. Many rectangle shapes are there. Many hexagon shapes are also there here. Okay. So they will differ according to their company. So all the soap boxes in the market will not have the same net shapes. Yes, the net diagram will be differing. Okay, children. Now see here, this is the Dove soap box which you have it here. Yes. Now this diagram is also different from the others. Yes or no? Yes, children. See here. So it is also having different rectangles, hexagon shape, curved shapes are also there here. Yes. Okay. Now, so when you open the soap box, what do we get it? A net is formed that is called the net of a soap box. Okay. Now let us take the example of a toothpaste box. Yes. So when you open a toothpaste box carefully without tearing the edges, you have the choice here. Yes. Which shape will be the correct shape which is formed here? First one, second one, or the third one. So which one is the correct shape, children? See here the toothpaste box. Yes, will open up into which of these nets? First one, second one, or third one? You can see that the third one is the correct one here. Yes, because in a toothpaste box you have 4 rectangles and 2 square boxes on the top. Yes, upon the rectangle only it will have. Okay. So now see here the answer I have marked here. Okay, the toothpaste box will open up into third one is the answer. So this is the Colgate box. It is also differ in the size here. See here, children. So this is the Colgate toothpaste box. See the net of the Colgate toothpaste box here. Yes, it has both rectangle and squares in this one. All the cuboids or all the cubes which we when you open its net, it will differ, children. Okay. The next is the matchbox. So matchbox, when you open the net of the matchbox, you can see the length, width and breadth and height. Length, width and height, children, not breadth. Okay, length, width and height. So the diagram or the net which you get it is in this shape. With the blue color you can see it has been drawn with a pencil type. Okay, children. So that is the net of the matchbox. Now let us see here one more I got it here. Matchbox will the shapes of each matchboxes will differ. It's not compulsory that all will have the same type of concept of making a matchbox. Okay, children. So here also it is different. The template diagram or the net diagram is different. Okay. So now let us go on with the example of a dice. So take a dice and put it on a paper. So when you trace a dice, how many faces do you get it, children? So dice is the example of which 3D shape, children? It is the example of a cube. Yes, it is the example of a cube. So as we have learned that a cube has 6 faces. How many faces, children? A cube has 6 faces. Okay. So dice is the example of a cube. When you trace the cube, you get 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Now, do all the faces look alike? Yes, all the faces will look alike. Can you say the reason, children? Why do all the faces look alike? Because you know that a cube, when you trace the cube, you get the shape of a square. So in a shape of a square you get it. So all the squares in a square, you know that all the sides are equal. Yes or no? So in a square all the sides are equal. That is the reason they look alike. Okay children, so how many faces does a dice have? It has 6 faces. Do all the faces look alike? Yes, all the faces will look alike. So now see here this dice. Yes, children, this is the diagram of a dice. This is the shape of a dice. Now see here, the net diagram of a dice. You can see that squares are there and few are the rectangles. When you don't touch those rectangles, all the squares are the same. Yes. So this is the net diagram of a dice. Okay, children. So these are some of the examples. So children, do this in your classwork and complete the notes. By this, our chapter 1 of class 4 is completed, children. Okay. In our next class, we will start chapter 2. Till then, children, stay in home, stay safe, eat healthy food. Thank you. Take care of yourself, children.